Hello viewers, this is Alan Kiss, and I also today want to do another tutorial. It's a song Chakutumaini Sina. Somebody requested and I cannot just ignore. To people, most people will say that song is simple. Yes, it's simple to you because you know it, but there is somebody out there who doesn't even know the song. So if you say it is simple, you don't have to say it. Say it is simple to me, not it is simple. Being simple means you know it and not to everyone. What is simple to you is not simple to everybody. So I'm going to do it. I won't ignore, and I'm sorry I'm doing it late, but I won't ignore. I'm going to do it. So I'll play it. I don't know whether to add stuff or not to add because you never told me. So let me assume you don't know the song, and I'm just going to teach you how to play it. So in keyboard, we have something, I think you can watch my videos on numbers. If you know the numbers, it will be very easy. On keyboard, we have something called the number system, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that song is simply 1, 4, 1, 5. So what I mean by 1, 4, 1, 5, I mean you play 1, this is 1, you go to 4, this is 4, I will tell you what is 4, you go back to 1, then you play 5. So that is the way that song is played. So basically, it's just like that. So 1 is F sharp. If you don't know the song, the keys, we are in the key of F sharp. The F sharp is F sharp 1, G sharp 2, A sharp 3, 4 is B, 5 is C sharp, 6 is D sharp, 7 is F, and 8 is F sharp. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 1, this is 5. So that is what we are playing. We are moving from F sharp. We are going to B, which is 4. B. If you don't know B, I think also please go and watch my number system on the same. I have a video there on my YouTube on number system. So this is 4. This is 4. So 4 is B. One day, okay, my next tutorial, not one day, my next tutorial, I'm going to explain the number system, but I think I explained it. I'm just going to explain on all these keys the way they can be played, starting from C to C. I'm going to do it C to B, so that at least when I say B, you know what I mean. When I say D, you know what I, when I say D, when I say D sharp, when I say F sharp, when I say G, when I say G sharp, when I say A, when I say B flat, or when I say B, and when I say C. At least I'll explain that so that you'll be understanding. So that song is simply 1, 4, 1, 5. You just do 1. So let me play it in a simple way, then I'll at least add something. So Chakutumaini sina, ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha, kwake Yesu nasimama, ndiye mwamba ni salama, ndiye mwamba ni salama, ndiye mwamba ni salama. Chakutumaini sina, ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha, Yesu nasimama, ndiye mwamba ni salama, ndiye mwamba ni salama, ndiye mwamba ni salama. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. So what I played was basically I was doing 1, then I go here, I go back to 1, go back to 5. That is how that song is played. It just played Chakutumaini sina, ila damu yake Yesu, we can add other things. At least there are some passing chords I explained last time in my previous video, like this one. You can use this one, you can use this one. I can tell you, I'm going to show you how you can use them. This one. To make to add flavor. So I'm just going to do it, then you see. Let me do it slowly a little bit. That is very fast. So let me reduce the speed soon. Ini sina ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha. Chakutumaini sina ila damu yake Yesu, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha. Kwake Yesu nasimama, ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama. So the passing chord, but you don't have to do them all of them like that. You can do. Mwambani salama, this one. Ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama. Chakutumaini sina 3, 4. Ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama. So for my student, what you can do is this one. Okay, you can add, but just play it simple. If you still don't know how to play it, you can just do, but don't play. Don't do that. Just hold the keys. Softly. Ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama. Kwake Yesu nasimama. Up to there, that is enough. So it's just 1 4 1 5. You can add those stuffs, but if you are still learning that simple song, let me not call it simple. That song, you can you just do this, but don't don't do that. I hear people playing like that, and don't. It will sound, it won't sound good. So. Chakutumaini sina. Just do it simple. Ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama, ndiye mwambani salama. Kwake Yesu nasimama. Simple and sweet. Ndiye mwambani salama. Try to insert the passing chord. Just like that. Thank you for watching, and if you don't get it, just ask me, I'll still do it. But you can pause the video and do it slowly. Thank you.